In Washington, as the administrator, we have copied some other states that have come before us. We've used the example of ILAPS, which is the Illinois Association of Professional Process Servers. They were successful in getting what we believe to be very quality verbiage through their legislature that is now law. That was a big plus, a big positive for the process service profession. We were able to get that information, get that verbiage, and we put it through the hopper in our own state legislation last session. Unfortunately, with the economic woes that most states are going through, the consensus from the legislature was we weren't going to hear that piece. I'm very confident we'll get past this coming session. We're working diligently on pushing this through, and all of our members are in contact with their legislatures and representatives and really working on getting this into law next year. My own personal experience with assault in the field is going to make me look bad, but that's okay because this is for educational purposes. Out of over 50,000 papers in my lifetime that I've served, I would say that I've had 5 major incidences. Of those 5 major incidences, I believe 3 of them were my fault, and I could have easily avoided them. The biggest mistake I made in this scenario was going into someone's house. Never, under any circumstances, should a process server enter a premise. There's too many unknowns and too many variables that go along with it. I was 19 years old. I was aggressive, which is another no-no in my personal opinion. It didn't work out so good for me. One of the things that we face as process servers from an assault standpoint is with the economy the way it is, and with individuals' lives and just kind of the negativity that's surrounding the general feeling of society these days, in my opinion, lends itself to a much higher percentage of being assaulted when you're on the job. I, in my lifetime, have had 2 guns pulled on me. Thankfully, neither one of those guns have had a bullet come out of them, or I may not be sitting here with you guys right now. But the fact of the matter is, these things happen, and it's a talent. It's learned. Get yourself educated on how to diffuse situations. Both of these particular situations, I basically backed off, said, nope, I'm not serving you these papers. Went and reported the incidents to the police. If there's anything else I can say about assault in this profession, is you must 100% of the time report your assaults. Get an officer out there. Spend the extra 45 minutes to an hour that it's going to take. We don't want to do it. We're losing money doing it. But the life you save may be the guy behind you.